A SkyHydrant chlorine clean is required once a week, and an acid clean is required once a month. Before you do the acid or chlorine clean, you must do the daily wash sequence in full.
When mixing chemicals, a couple of precautions you can take. First of all, do it out of the wind so the dust doesn't get blown. An extra step is to get a face shield like this. When you are mixing the chemical, fill a container full of water first, and then with a measuring spoon get the chemical and add it to the water. And then stir it well to mix it. You can then add it to the SkyHydrant. When all the water has drained out of the SkyHydrant, shut the valve T2, the drain valve. Remove the top of the solution tank. Open the solution valve T5 and then add the chemical to the tank. If there is some undissolved powder, just add more water, stir and top up. When all the chemical is in the tank, replace the top and close valve T5. You can then fill the SkyHydrant while mixing the incoming water with the chemical that's already there. Open valve T1 and while the SkyHydrant is filling, move the handle to make sure the water is well mixed. When water starts to come out of the vent, shut the inlet, shut the vent and leave to soak for 4 hours for a chlorine clean and overnight for an acid clean. Once you have completed the chemical clean, you must then do the daily wash sequence in full again to flush all the chemicals out of the SkyHydrant. Otherwise there will be taste and odour problems when the SkyHydrant is again producing drinking water. After a clean, always record the information on the SkyHydrant check sheet.